What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve with Printer Gang Investments. I hope you guys are enjoying your Monday in the markets, and we're here with a quick market update, market chat, whatever you want to call it. So, market started off pretty good this week. I thought we was gonna be down in the morning if you was watching the pre-market, but we rebounded. We got Nvidia holding at 950, 960-ish area. The rest of the market's doing pretty well as well. We have not got the correction that the bears have been saying is imminent. So everything's just looking good so far. Everything's looking good so far. Everybody be cautious. Don't get too overweight. But at the same time, a lot of these stocks are consolidating. This might be a nice zone before the next leg of the breakout. A couple days ago, we had Jerome Powell reiterate that there are still going to be 3 rate cuts. For now, you know what I'm saying? Even though he reiterated, in the market, we got to watch everything and just hold on to your positions. Don't get scared. Don't let them shake you out your positions. You got to remember, a lot of these people are just late. They need these stocks to come down so they could reload, because if the AI wave is what they say it is, a lot of these stocks that we're invested in are going to be career-making stocks for hedge fund managers, institutional managers, etc. So, in other news, Boeing is looking for a new CEO after their issue with their whistleblower and the unaliving, as they say on YouTube. We got lubricant being used as parts. So they're having issues over there. They're going to have to figure that out. They're definitely going to have to figure that out. Palantir's holding up well. We're home between that 24, 25-ish range. Everything's looking good. I'm just bracing for the next set of earnings that's probably going to be coming up soon. Hopefully this wave continues. We need to see more spin. We need to see more growth, because the market is going to punish any stock that's not doing what needs to be done right now. We saw that with Palo Alto Networks, and we've seen it with a few other stocks. If you're in a stock that got rewarded on earnings, you might be in the right place at the right time. If you're in a stock that didn't get rewarded on earnings and is claiming AI, you might want to look deeper into the balance sheet to see exactly why that is, because a lot of stocks are starting to show improve. Nvidia has started the trend of you must show improve in this market. They're not going to play with you. So the way I see it is this build out's on the way. I'm trying to load up on the next set of stocks. I'm looking at Modine. I'm looking at Comfort Systems. All the chips are going crazy. We saw what happened with Micron. The Intel and AMD news is going to be a decent buying opportunity. I think it already sort of happened. The Chinese people, I think they're trying to bite back on the TikTok issue situation. So they banned Intel and AMD on some of their computers in China, which caused a dip, which was immediately bought, which goes to show another thesis on these chip stocks, especially Nvidia. Watch these dips on these stocks. A lot of professionals are saying any dip will be bought. I do agree, because you got to remember, when these stocks started going up crazy, we had a lot of bearish sentiment, which means a lot of people are still on the sidelines. Everybody's saying there's $6 trillion on the sidelines. So when you see these stocks go down and they don't go down that much and they go back up, that's probably what that is. Those probably institutional money managers, regular people who've been sitting on the sidelines. Everybody wants a piece of this action. You know what I'm saying? If you're in some good positions, just hold on to them till we get bad news, to be honest. I know we're holding on to a lot of gains. I know proper money management is to trim. And if you're in such a big position that that's what you need to do it. But really, we haven't seen nothing yet, man. We ain't seen nothing yet. Nvidia's making all this money. The companies that are doing business with Nvidia, they're also going to have to make a lot of money to justify that cost. And I'm not just talking about the Palantirs of the world. I'm not just talking about the software side. I was listening to an analyst that said something that I'm going to start looking at, and I think you guys might want to look at too. The end beneficiary of AI, it might actually be the companies that we're not thinking about, because they ain't got nothing to do with AI. We're all so busy thinking about the tech companies. We're all so busy thinking about software, hardware, computer chips. And I get it. And those companies are going to make money. Those companies are going to benefit. But at the end of the day, AI, the AI we see now what's shown in the future is going to be shown in the future. But as we're seeing now, AI seems to be something that's going to revolutionize business productivity. Like, it's going to revolutionize me and your lives more directly maybe in the future, but right now maybe it's going to be because we're interacting with these other products. So with that being said, I'm looking at just the regular companies, your restaurants, your shoe stores, your standard businesses, logistics businesses, of course, healthcare businesses. We need to start the process of looking for who's going to be the end beneficiary of AI. Because it's not just going to be NVIDIA, it's not just going to be AMD, it's not just going to be Palantir and CrowdStrike, Apple and stuff. I think it's going to get much, much deeper. And of course, we're underestimating it because we don't know. We haven't seen it yet. But I'm just listening to all the analysts. You know, I'm not the oldest, I'm not the youngest. I'm in my early 30s. But they're saying that it's going to be bigger than the internet. And the internet is pretty big if you ask me. So the way I see it is, yeah, we might want to load up, keep your eyes peeled. Any DD I get, I'm going to give it to you guys. I'm going to be posting more videos about these markets today, this evening, whenever I get them, whenever YouTube lets me upload them, you will see them. But this is our first talk of the day. It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, and I'm going to see you guys soon. I'm out.